Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Welcome to Amafenzo TV. Kiphetwe Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Dashaba.
Stibo.
Yeah, man.
The Pirates lay a record.
Yes.
Yeah. I-record yokuqala.
Yini.
La ku Betway. I-team yokuqala ukuthatha iBetway ku number 2.
Yeah, it is.
Uyangizwa?
Yeah, first team.
Yeah.
First team.
Ithatha ku number bani?
2.
Yeah. Ukuzwa lokho.
But kanjani? No, sengiyayizwa.
Uyayithola?
Angithi
First team ku Betway
Yeah.
ukuthatha iBetway Cup ku number 2.
Seyithathiwe vele.
Yeah, ayibuzi.
It's shy time.
Ayibuzi.
Bayazi nabo.
It's confirmed.
Ngizose bathi babheka ikhefu kuphela.
I-CAF nayo ngathi bayibheke lihle liyi-1. Yeah, bayibheke lihle liyi-1 ngoba ngathi hayi. Kodwa ke asikho lapho.
But bekuyi-confirmation le ukuthi i-league sekuwe. Amasandawana wathi wabheka ikhefu kuphela. Sebangitshela kanjani?
Alright, abachubeke ba-right, bakhuluma into right.
Yeah.
No ababhayiziseki.
Ngiyakuthola.
Bakhuluma into right. Yeah, and then sibuye Stibo ama-fans webhakaniya.
Khamba.
Angabhayiziseki bafethu bakhale ngocoach, bakhale ngento eziningi.
Bebakha.
Yeah, i-coach ine-plan mayeza la igame.
Yes.
Ngiyezwa ukuthi uSlepe beyangadlali, uSlepe udlala bedlala ku DDC. Yeah, unama games awadlalile ku DDC. Ngeke bamsukela umuntu ongadlalanga Knicks and then bazomfaka ku first team.
Yeah.
So ucoach ushayile ispan sakhe and then kwalukwenza. Angeke sikwine wonke ama games. So akhona ama game anzima and then it was one of lawo ma game lawo a tough ukuthi i-Durban City sibambe njengabo Sikhukhune ngalo draw leyo njengabo Mhlathuze uyangithola Richards Bay. So but then adlalela ama Giants. So enye into man bese ngiworried ngama fans we Sundowns weKhosi abanye bese ba exit ama group abasafuna ukukhuluma nathi. Angithi manje into yethu angithi ngakithi manje ipain
Mawubona bakhona ukuyithatha inkulumo.
Yeah, and then ama TikTok ma live bese bangasekho ungena ku live wakhona uthola umuntu oyi1 thola ududula oyi1 lapha abekho
abo Chris nabo Boleni
bonke abasekho uyani bafethu le game le besenzela nini ukuthi nibuye and then nizokhona kuba na something yabona nikhulume and then vele so iceda kahle embombelo yonke into yethu izoyenza ngale embombelo yabona. So the reason why singazange sicede yonke into la i-security bengekho tight kakhulu.
Okay.
So i-community icelile ukuthi man ngeke sikhona ukulala vandaag manje amaphoyisa wekho enough but then organizewe kahle manje ukuthi security be tight embombela uyabona. Yes, that is why because manje bekunama cricket bekunento eziningi zathi no man let's relax into yethu so iceda kahle e neutral place. So la ngoba vele kusekasi kuzomosheka iSoweto yonke uyabona amakasa aseduzana umphathi ukhalile mfethu bathi sekupakwe ngaphi imoto esingazazathi no it senza into right eSoweto angithi nasingabala.
You a wise man.
Very very wise man when it comes into ezifana lezi anti communicate thina ne technical abaphathi yakhuluma na kudana nongajahi bafethu lento le isezandleni zethu siyiphethe kahle kodwa manje asifuni ukujambisa ukuthi khambane yabona. So besingafuni bafowethu ukuthi ekasi kwenza into ezirong abantu bebazothi ma celebrate ngendlela ezinye ezi too much yabona alcohol ini nani. So asiyeni bafowethu embombela invitation iphumile. Isicelile iOrbit ukuthi bafethu sondelani fast and then sizoceda sigcwalisa imbombelo siyayigcwalisa na kanjani asiyeni bafethu njalo Steve univa grand nani bafethu le and then nenza into right. Balande labantu le nithozane amafans wethu lawo
Into right amakhisi orukhuluma ngayo.
Bengiyanglaha